Alphabet's Loon is known for its internet balloons, but it worked on an entirely balloon-less project as part of its partnership with SoftBank's HapsMobile. The two formed a long-term strategic relationship back in April of 2019, with HapsMobile investing $125 million in the Alphabet company. Now, the partners have announced that they've successfully designed and developed a communications payload for HapsMobile's solar-powered stratospheric unmanned aircraft system, also known as the Hawk 30. To be precise, they adapted the technology already being used by Loon's balloons to turn Hawk 30 into a stratospheric cell tower. They had to tweak the communications payload a bit so that its antenna can rotate more quickly. That rotation is necessary to keep a stable connection, but the plane is much faster than Loon's balloons. They also had to create an aerodynamic housing to protect the antenna. In addition, the improved communications payload uses a custom-designed LTE system that gives Hawk 30 the capability to deliver LTE connectivity to phones and other devices. When the companies announced their partnership last year, they said that with the deployment of such technology, people will be reachable in areas where connectivity is lacking, such as mountainous terrain, remote islands, and developing countries. This is awesome. AirSelfie has announced that they are launching their pre-order campaign for AirPix on Indiegogo. It's the next generation of the original AirSelfie, engineered with more features for a revolutionary new user experience that is going to change selfie taking forever. AirPix is the brand new personal selfie photographer that can autonomously capture every moment in life just while it's happening. It fits in your pocket and is always ready to shoot anytime, anywhere from a cool new perspective, impossible with a handheld camera. Measuring 4 by 3.3 inches and a little over half an inch thick, AirPix is smaller than an iPhone X, and its ultralight chassis weighs less than 1.83 ounces, about the same as a golf ball. AirPix features 4 powerful motors integrated into the chassis to guarantee an extra safety hand landing, indoor flying, and protection from external damage. It features a 12-megapixel camera with 70 degrees field of view. That's a pretty wide angle that also lets you take full HD videos at 30 frames per second. And that means that you could share it with friends and followers on social media without having to down-convert it at all. Smooth Air technology combines an optical flow sensor, visual positioning, and an internal vertical stabilization barometer. It all goes together to guarantee a steady, smooth flight for the best picture possible. AirPix features 3 very simple ways to pilot it. With one-touch autonomous flight, you're able to launch, fly, and take selfies with the push of one button by using Capture Me technology. That's a different way. AirPix flies 3 to 5 feet away from you, finds you, and then takes 5, 10, or 15 photos or even continuous video, and then returns back all by itself. Or you can select the 360-degree view mode. And AirPix flies several feet away and then takes multiple photos or video while rotating all the way around you. It's pretty cool. The exciting new sync control feature also allows you to pilot and take selfie photos or videos for the very first time without a connection to a smartphone, using simple gestures and movements. It has an 8 gig micro SD card that it says will let you take hundreds of photos and record hours of video. However, 8 gigs doesn't seem a lot to me. And the 6+ minute flight time allows for all the time that you need to get to the perfect shot. AirPix can also be taken around in its equally cool and stylish docking station. It's also a power bank where it will be continuously charging and always ready for the next selfie or Insta moment. You can pre-order your own for under $100 right now on their Indiegogo campaign. Thanks for watching your weekly tech update. If you have a story you think we should feature on the program, shoot me an email, djraymcneil @gmail.com. You can find us on Facebook at your weekly tech update, and check out the podcast. Audio and video versions available on Google, iTunes, Spotify, Audio Burst, and elsewhere on the interwebs. For myself, Ray McNeil, Abby McNeil, and our puppy Angus, stay safe and be well, everyone. Till next time, have a great day.
Goodbye.